bone marrow transplant, uh, in earlier stages, earlier days, it was difficult. Nowadays, it has become a routine procedure for high volume hematological centers, and the procedure has uh, come of age now, and it has become less cumbersome and easier. Bone marrow transplant, what we do when the patient, basically it is done in hematological malignancies only. Non-hematological also in benign diseases like aplastic anemia and some other diseases like uh, Gaucher's disease and some other diseases like metabolic diseases when enzyme deficiency is there. So some of these diseases has been treated by bone marrow transplant. So bone marrow transplant is done in leukemia and lymphomas mainly. So when your bone marrow is faulty or involved with leukemia, then we have got chemotherapy to treat that patient. If the patient gets cured by chemotherapy, then it's fine. If the patient has some high risk features or patient does not get cured by first line of chemotherapy, then bone marrow transplantation has to be done, because always some disease is there in bone marrow, remaining bone marrow of the patient, which can get activated at any time and then disease recurs. So if you control the disease first with chemotherapy, then to minimize the number of cancer cells in the body, we can give the patient, in leukemias, we have to do allogenic bone marrow transplant. Allogenic means siblings bone marrow has to be taken out and then it has to be transplanted into the patient's body.
Right, doctor.
So
Right.
this is called allogenic. Two types of transplant are there. One is allogenic, one is autologous. Autologous is patient's own bone marrow is transplanted. So in allogenic, matched sibling bone marrow is to be taken. So how do we match? We match by HLA genes.
Yes.
HLA genes are a human leukocyte antigen, which genes are on the blood system or blood cells. So if they match only, then only we can transplant. If they don't match, body will reject them.
Yes.
So it is actually very cumbersome procedure, because if you have siblings, then only you can get transplanted.
Okay.
Otherwise, you have to do unrelated bone marrow transplant or haploidentical. Like HLA genes, 10 out of 10 match is best. If 10 out of 8 or 9 is matching only, then it is called haploidentical. So these are the kind of allogenic transplant. Then autologous, in autologous like lymphoma, Hodgkin's lymphoma, we actually, so in those cases, we actually wipe out the disease from patient's body by first giving chemotherapy. Then before transplantation, we take bone marrow of the patient. So how do we take bone marrow? We actually give some injections to the patients for 4 to 5 days, so that bone marrow cells are circulating in the blood. Then with special machines, we take out that bone marrow particles, bone marrow cells from the body and make a bag, like a blood bag only. So patient can donate bone marrow cells or stem cells, like they give platelets or they give blood only. So
Yes.
a simple procedure. Patients actually do not understand how this bone marrow transplant is done. So it is nowadays very simple. So like they donate blood, they donate stem cells also. So stem
Okay.
cells collected, then we give high dose chemotherapy to wipe out the remaining bone marrow. Once the bone marrow is depleted, fully wiped, then the collected cells, which are purified, which are actually they don't have this lymphoma or leukemia cells. They are actually purged, transfused like blood only. Via blood, they go into the bone spaces and starts growing there. So after a while, 2 or 3 weeks, they starts working. Then the patient is discharged after the blood is restored. So this is the full procedure of bone marrow. But in allogenic bone marrow, we have to give some immunosuppression or steroids for long time, so that they may not have rejection of the bone marrow because it is taken from another person. In autologous, it is very easy. You do not have to give immunosuppression to them, but some antibiotics, some antivirals, they go on till 6 months so that they may not catch infections. After that, they can live very easily. So this is how bone marrow transplant is done. I hope that helps the patient.